Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fahad Ashraf. Today I will be teaching you a table of 19 and 20. Table of 19. 19 multiplied by 1 is equal to 19. 19 multiplied by 2 is equal to 38. 19 multiplied by 3 is equal to 57. 19 multiplied by 4 is equal to 76. 19 multiplied by 5 is equal to 95. 19 multiplied by 6 is equal to 114. 19 multiplied by 7 is equal to 133. 19 multiplied by 8 is equal to 152. 19 multiplied by 9 is equal to 171. 19 multiplied by 10 is equal to 190. Table of 20. 20 multiplied by 1 is equal to 20. 20 multiplied by 2 is equal to 40. 20 multiplied by 3 is equal to 60. 20 multiplied by 4 is equal to 80. 20 multiplied by 5 is equal to 100. 20 multiplied by 6 is equal to 120. 20 multiplied by 7 is equal to 140. 20 multiplied by 8 is equal to 160. 20 multiplied by 9 is equal to 180. 20 multiplied by 10 is equal to 200. That's all for today. Please like and subscribe.